If you're tired of struggling with your quilting projects and want a sewing machine that truly delivers, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Brother XM2701. The Brother XM2701 caught my eye with its lightweight design and impressive price of $149. If you want a reliable machine for everyday quilting projects, this is worth a serious look. This machine features 27 unique built-in stitches, which means you can easily find the right stitch for any quilting style or fabric. The automatic needle threader is a game changer for beginners. It pushes the thread through the needle effortlessly, saving you time and frustration. The drop-in top bobbin is jam-resistant, so you can focus on your project instead of dealing with pesky thread issues. With over 4,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many quilters trust this machine. Now, some people complained about the machine being a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, while it does have a noticeable hum, it's not a deal breaker, especially when you consider how smoothly it sews. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or an occasional quilter looking for an affordable, user-friendly machine. Skip this one if you're a seasoned quilter who needs advanced features, but for the price, it really delivers on value. Now, if the XM2701's noise level bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Brother XR3774. The Brother XR3774, priced at $184.99. What stood out to me about this model is its versatility with 37 built-in stitches, making it perfect for both sewing and quilting. The extra-wide table is a significant bonus for quilting. It provides ample workspace for larger projects, so you won't feel cramped while working on your creations. The automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin are also present here, ensuring a smoother sewing experience. With 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice among crafters. However, a few users mentioned that the machine can struggle with thicker fabrics, but honestly, as long as you use the right needle and settings, it handles most quilting materials quite well. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a mix of sewing and quilting and want a machine that can handle a variety of tasks. Skip this one if you mainly work on heavy materials, but otherwise, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more features. Product number 3. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X is next, retailing at $279.99. This machine offers a whopping 70 built-in stitches, and that's a serious advantage for quilting enthusiasts. What really impressed me was the large needle-to-arm workspace, which makes it easier to work on bigger projects like quilts. Plus, the updated automatic needle threader works like a charm, and the metal frame ensures durability during extensive use. Over 1,000 units sold indicates that many quilters appreciate this model's performance. Now, some users have pointed out the lack of a walking foot, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, you can find compatible attachments easily, so it's not a huge issue if you're willing to invest a bit more. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich machine that can grow with your quilting skills. Skip this one if you prefer a more basic model, but for advanced quilters, it's worth every penny. Now, if you're looking for something even more sophisticated, this next one might just blow you away.
Product number 4. Brother CS5055. The Brother CS5055 offers great value with 60 built-in stitches. I was surprised by how user-friendly this machine is, especially for those just starting out. It features a solid metal frame, which gives it stability and durability, and the larger needle-to-arm workspace is a nice touch for quilting. The improved needle threader works wonders, and the included accessories make it easy to get started right away. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's a favorite among quilters. However, some users express concerns about the machine's plastic components being less durable. But honestly, as long as you treat it well, it should serve you well for years to come. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, but still want a reliable machine that handles quilting tasks smoothly. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty, but otherwise, it offers great value. Now, if you're ready to step up your quilting game, the final product on this list may be what you're looking for.
Product number 5. Brother XR9550. The Brother XR9550, priced at $269.99. This powerhouse features an impressive 165 built-in stitches, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. The intuitive LCD display lets you select stitches with ease, and the large workspace is perfect for tackling bigger quilt projects. It also comes with a protective hardcover, which is a nice touch for keeping your machine safe. With 700 plus sold, it's a popular choice for serious quilters. Some users found it a bit complex to navigate for beginners, but I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, the features it offers are well worth the slight learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're an avid quilter looking for a machine that can handle intricate designs and larger projects. Skip this one if you're completely new to sewing, but if you're ready to invest, it's a fantastic choice.
So, to wrap this up, we've covered the Brother XM2701, XR3774, CS7000X, CS5055, and XR9550. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Brother CS7000X because it balances features and user-friendliness perfectly for quilting tasks. I'd recommend avoiding the CS5055 if you're looking for something more heavy-duty, as it might not hold up as well under extensive use. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.